Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I am doing another collab with coeebags. If you guys haven't already heard of them, they are an online website that specializes in high quality replicas. So they have all kinds of different designer items such as Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Burberry, and so much more. So this time I did pick out a very popular Louis Vuitton bag that's been going around a lot on TikTok lately, and it is the Louis Vuitton mini bum bag. I think this bag is so cute. I've already took a peek at it, so let's go ahead and unbox this together. So it does come already with like packaging, and this super cute. You guys know this is kind of like Louis Vuitton's new packaging for their bags. So it looks like this. You do get a box included. And I really love the mini bum bag when I saw it on TikTok, because I was like, okay, I always like the regular bum bag, but this mini, because I love small bags. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so you do get like the regular shopping bag, of course. This is cool if you want to use this for anything. Store your bag, put it in your closet. And then it does come with a dust bag. So it's in the dust bag, and then just for like all the other stuff, it does have like this thing. I think this is just to like make it look like it's, you know, legit. So yeah, it's like it's the thing that like explains all the materials of what the bag's made out of. There's a ribbon, like you can wrap it around the box if you want to give it as a gift, and then there's also like a receipt. So yeah, okay, let's get into the actual bag. It's so cute. So cute. And it also does come with a chain. I'm going to put the chain on so you guys can see what it looks like. But this is the bag. So like I said, this is the mini bum bag, and I think they did a really good job on like the color and everything. I think it looks pretty real. The quality of the bag itself is really nice, and it does come with like a little strap. I did hear a lot of people complain about the strap not being long enough, but I'm only 5'4.5", and I feel like it hits perfectly on me. I will show a side-by-side later of what it looks like actually on me, but for someone that's my height or shorter, I feel like it just fits perfectly. So let's unzip her. So you do get the Louis Vuitton on the inside, and then here's the chain. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the chain on, because I feel like the chain is what really makes this bag look so cute. So you just hook it on to the same area as where this chain is already at, or where the strap is already at. So you hang this, and pretty much it just hangs off of the bag. I think it's so cute. So it's like this. So cute. Okay, so back to the inside of the bag. Just regular. The material in here really feels good. I forgot what that material is called, but it feels good. There's no zipper or anything inside of here, and I feel like it's enough room to fit like my keys, hand sanitizer, some lip gloss, that kind of stuff. And then up close, details. So like you can see the detail LV on the zipper, details here. Then you can zip this, and you can put a little something in here too, a couple of coins or whatever you decide you can put there. This bag is so cute. And honestly, I feel like you can wear this crossbody, or you can wear it around your waist. I feel like if you do just the chain, you could wear it around your waist. So I feel like you can get a few different looks out of this bag, but so cute. The chain feels good quality. It doesn't feel super cheap, so that was nice. Couple more close-ups. The bag is super, super cute, you guys. Such good quality. If you guys didn't know, Louis Vuitton was definitely one of my favorite designers when I first started off with liking purses. Louis was my go-to. So yeah guys, this is the bag. So cute. And of course, as usual, I'm going to have a discount code for you guys. I'll put it on the screen, and also if you click the description box, there will be a link to the bag plus the discount code as well. So make sure you guys check out their website because they have really good high quality wraps. Like you guys seen from my last video, I still love my Chanel bag. I've been wearing it so much because it's fall time. I can wear it with so many outfits, and this is another great fall time bag. And for a fraction of the price, this bag like retails in Louis Vuitton for like close to 3K, but on the website it's only like 300, so plus a discount code. So make sure you guys check it out, and I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.